My name is Tim Brock. I'm a service advisor here at Hudson Nissan of North Charleston. I started at Hudson originally back in 2012 with a little bit of service advisor experience. There was something about this dealership that made it feel like a family type of environment. And then I did have the benefit of working with a lot of great mentors throughout the years that I was here. So honestly, I think you have to be able to multitask. You know, you have to be able to set something down, go to something else and come right back to it. You know, you have to be a people person. I think honestly, really listening with empathy, really actually listening to the customer, not to respond, but just trying to process how they're feeling and trying to understand how they might be feeling in that situation. I think I always hear that people want to work with people that are busy. So if I've got 3 people here, the reason why I have 3 people here is because I go through that process with them. And they're waiting on me because they want me to walk around that car with them. They want to feel safe. They want to feel secure about what I'm telling them is correct.